Good morning, children. Now, I hope you got on well yesterday building your balance scales. I know I've seen lots of brilliant ones on Tapestry so far, so well done. And if you didn't get a chance to make your balance scales, maybe you can watch yesterday's video and do that today because you'll need to use them today in our maths session. Now, your job today is to go around your house and find me 5 different toys. Now, make sure they're not huge because they've got to fit in to your containers. So if you've got cups, you need to make sure that your toys will be able to fit inside those cups. So I thought before I started this video, I had a run around the classroom and I found 5 different things that I would like to find out which one is my heaviest. Okay, so here we go. We've got my favourite dinosaur. Okay, one of my favourite dinosaurs. Okay, so I wonder if he's going to be the heaviest. I found a Duplo block. Okay, a Duplo brick. I wonder if that's going to be the heaviest. I found this really cute little cat. It reminds me of my cat at home. Okay, then I found Harold, the helicopter. Okay, I wonder if he's going to be the heaviest. And then I thought I'll go into the kitchen, and then I found a pretend egg. Whoop! And I nearly dropped it and cracked it, but it's okay because it's just pretend. So before you start measuring and weighing your toys, we need to find out. Okay, we're going to do something called an estimation, a prediction. We're going to, before we use our scales, I'm going to put my chair here so you can see, we're going to have a think. Which of these do I think is going to be the heaviest? Okay, do I think it's going to be my egg? Do I think it's going to be my dinosaur? So you might want to put them on your hands and have a feel. Which one's feeling heaviest? So the dinosaur's feeling heaviest. Okay, so I'm now going to try my dinosaur with my cat. Oh, he's still feeling the heaviest. What about the brick? No, it's still feeling the heaviest. Ooh, hold on a minute. Not quite sure. So I'm going to put my dinosaur's going to be the heaviest. Then I think it might be Harold. Oh, which one? Then I think it might be my egg. Then I think it might be the cat. And then I think it might be my Duplo. Okay, so I've put my toys into order of which is the heaviest all the way down to which one I think is going to be the lightest. So your first thing is to do is we're going to find out if I was right. Is my dinosaur the heaviest? So what you need to do is select your heaviest toy and that one's going to stay in one of the containers. So let me move back a little bit so we can see our containers. There we go. So I'm going to pop my dinosaur very carefully because we don't want it to break into my cup. And what you need to do is you need to make sure that you've got yours hanging just like Mrs. Boyden. Come on, Mr. Dinosaur. Okay, and then you'll be able to see that. Can you see here that my balance scales, the dinosaur has been pulled down because it's the heaviest. Okay, we've got nothing in the other cup yet. So my heaviest toy, I think, is a dinosaur. So let's see if I'm right. Let's try it out to see if my dinosaur is heaviest or lighter than Harold. Okay, let's put Harold in the other side. What happens this time? Oh, can you see? Can you see what's happening? Now, my dinosaur is slightly further down than Harold. So at the minute, my dinosaur is the heaviest and Harold is the lightest. So let's see if I was right. Is my dinosaur the heaviest? Is my egg heavier than my dinosaur? Let's put my egg in the other side. Oh, and it didn't hardly move. So my egg is lighter than my dinosaur. So I'm winning at the minute. I think I've got the right toy that's the heaviest. Let's see if my cat is lighter than my dinosaur. Let's put my cat in. Oh, can you see the pots went down a little bit? But can you see that this pot with a dinosaur in is still down the furthest? So that's showing me that that side is the heaviest and this side is the lightest. So I think I got right. Let's just check. We've got one more to check. So I've got my Duplo blocks. Let's pop that one in. And can you see my dinosaur is still the furthest one down and my Duplo block is still up in the air. It didn't move that much. So I found out that out of all my toys, my dinosaur is the heaviest. Okay. Now what we're going to do is I said that I think my Duplo box is the lightest. So now we need to find out. We found out that my dinosaur is the heaviest. Now, was I right with my Duplo being the lightest? Now, if my Duplo is the lightest, what should be happening to that side of the scale? Well done, it should be going up. It should be staying up. So let's see. Is my egg heavier than my Duplo block? Oh, okay. What can you see that's happening there? So I'm not really sure which one is the lowest down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can find something that's got a flat edge. And I'm going to have a look, put it under that one and put it under that one. And can you see that the Duplo box is just a little bit heavier than the egg? So I was wrong. My Duplo box is not the lightest. Okay, so let's take my Duplo box out because the egg at the minute is the lightest. So I need to find out, is the egg the lightest toy that I've got on my chair? Or do you think my cat's going to be the lightest? Let's pop the cat in the other side. Let's see what happens this time. Whoa, the cat is definitely the heaviest. Can you see how quick that went down? And my egg's gone up. So I wonder if my egg is the lightest toy. Okay, so let's have a look. Is my egg lighter or heavier than Harold the helicopter? Let's see. What do you think is going to happen when I put Harold in? Think it might go down? Or do you think Harold might go up? Should we have a look? Let's put him in carefully. Oh, wow. Can you see? Harold has gone right down and the egg is gone right up. So out of my 5 toys, I have found out that my dinosaur was the heaviest and my egg was the lightest. Okay, so that's your challenge today. I want you to go and pick 5 toys, pop them in, okay, order them first before you pop them in. Which one do you think is your heaviest? And once you've thought about it and you've got your heaviest first, pop your heaviest item in like I did with the dinosaurs and check that with all the other toys. Okay, now if you was wrong, your heaviest toy if you are right, your heaviest toy should always be the pot that's going down. Now, if you got the heaviest toy wrong and it starts to go up, maybe you need to find out which toy is the heaviest. Now, once you've done that, then you need to find out which is your lightest. So I was wrong. I thought my Duplo box was going to be the lightest, but it was actually the egg. So lots of weighing and comparing. And if you really want to challenge yourself, maybe you can test them all out to make sure that you have got all of your toys in the correct order from heaviest all the way to the lightest. I can't wait to see what you get up to. Have fun and be careful using your balancing scales. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.